Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the Estimate Invoices tab within the Account Details screen. The purpose of the Account Details screen is for the user to access all account-related matters, print invoices, receipts, statements, download, or email invoices, receipts, statements, make clinical notes, perform special actions, and view the history, archive transactions of the debtor's account in one screen. Quotations of the procedures which the patient requires include estimates which have been accepted, rejected, and completed. In this video, we will start on the Account Details screen. For more information on how to navigate to the Account Details screen, please refer to the Account Details Overview user manual linked in this video's description. From the Account Details screen, click on the Estimate Invoices tab. The Estimate Invoices tab will open. The Estimate Invoices screen presents quotations, alternatively referred to as Estimate Invoices, relating to the procedures that the patient is required to undergo or return to. We will now take a look at the various functions within the Estimate Invoices screen. The Patient drop-down menu will display all the patient's estimate invoices on the debtor's file. Click on the Patient drop-down menu. Select the applicable patient the user will view estimate invoices of. The Statuses checkbox will display estimate invoices according to estimate invoice status names such as pending or rejected. The Pending checkbox will display and sort the estimates, showing only the estimates which are still in progress. The Build checkbox will display and sort the estimate invoices according to the estimates which have been billed. The Accepted checkbox will display and sort the estimate invoices according to estimates which have been approved by the patient. The Rejected checkbox will display and sort the estimate invoices according to estimates which were not accepted by the patient. We will now take a look at the various columns within the Estimate Invoices screen. Estimate Number will display the auto-generated unique number identifying the estimate invoice. Estimate Date will display the transaction date of the estimate invoice. Name will display the name given to the estimate invoice when the invoice was first generated. Status will display the current status or state of the estimate invoice. Debtor Number will display the account number of the debtor who is responsible for the payment of the account. Patient Name is the name of the patient whom the estimate invoice is made out to. Total will show the total cost of the estimate invoice. The user is able to view the estimate invoice by clicking on the View Edit Estimate icon located on the View Estimate column. The user is able to select several estimates to combine into one downloadable file by ticking the checkbox located in the Select All Files to Merge into One File column. Tick the Select All Files to Merge into One File checkbox. Click on the Download Selection button to download the combined document. Click on the Downloaded Combined document. The print screen will now open, where the user is able to either print the downloaded PDF merged document or save the downloaded PDF merged document to the user's local device. Click on the Email Selection button, where the user is able to email the estimate invoice for attention to the desired contact. The Email Workflow Event screen will open. For more information on how to set up an email template, please refer to the Workflow Event Template Setup Email Template user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Close button. An attention pop-up will appear informing the user about the unsaved changes. Click on the OK button to return to the Estimate Invoices screen without saving the changes. We will now go over the actionable functions within a specific estimate invoice. Double-click on a desired estimate invoice. The Estimate Invoice Actions tab will open. We will now go over the various buttons within the Actions tab. The Download Estimate button will download the estimate invoice in a PDF format to the user's device. Click on the Download Estimates button. The estimate invoice will download. Click on a downloaded estimate invoice. The print screen will now open, where the user is able to either print the downloaded PDF estimate invoice or save the downloaded PDF estimate invoice to the user's device. The View Edit Estimate button will open the invoice screen, where the user is able to view or make changes to the estimate invoice as desired. Click on the View Edit Estimate button. The invoice screen will now open. For more information on the invoice screen, please refer to the Invoice Screen user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Email Estimate button, where the user is able to email the estimate invoice for attention to the desired contact. Click on the Email Estimate button. The Email Workflow Event screen will open. For more information on how to set up an email template, please refer to the Workflow Event Template Setup Email Template User Manual linked in this video's description. The Switch Details button will open the Switch Details screen, where the user is able to make updates and changes, for example, reversing a current switching process. Click on the Switch Details button. The Switch Details screen will open. For more information on the Switch Details screen, please refer to the Switch Response User Manual linked in this video's description.